right? Yes. At the time when you gave the feedback, that is only, we are discussing only about JDBC. So that is the reason, okay, I do accept that. Why? Because we did not discuss anything about MVC architecture. That is what we will be discussing from this session onwards. I told you when we're discussing about advanced Java, first 20-25 days will be JDBC only. That is actually core Java concepts only. I told you. Do you remember that? Little bit enhanced version of core Java. That's it. Not exactly advanced Java. Once we started with servlets, JSP, MVC architecture, then that is actually advanced Java. And in our advanced Java also, I told you we'll be trying to take two projects. I told you. And I said that we'll be opening that project which you created in your system in mobile also. You remember that? So definitely we'll be trying to discuss with that. No need to worry. Second one is need more coding examples. I mean, someone else have given that. Definitely need more coding examples in the sense like whatever the concepts which we are actually discussing, easily those will be covered. No need to worry about it. And third feedback, topic wise real time questions required. Whenever a particular concept is going on, at that particular time only, I'll say that when in the classes only, whenever I'm discussing, I'll say that, guys, this is actually important. For example, when I started servlets, I told you like different ways of creating a servlet that is actually important. Did you remember JDBC architecture? Right now, if I ask you, what is JDBC architecture? How many components are there? Can you answer? Can you answer or not? That is nothing but your topic-wise real-time questions. You will be able to know that. You just don't know that you are already covering that. You already covered that. No need to worry about it. Trust me. And uh, fourth point, need in-depth teaching on JDBC, servlets, and transaction management. At that time, we did not discuss regarding this entire JDBC when the persons who gave this feedback. At that time, still JDBC is going on. Yes. So that is the reason. Okay, I can understand. Servlet also we did not start it. Fine. No need to worry about it. And fifth point is doubt session required on every week. Why every week? Every day you can ask me a doubt. No, I guess you're understanding, right? At any particular point of time in the class, I'll definitely ask you, is it clear or not? For example, online students, tell me, am I asking you, is it clear? Is it clear? Please try to respond in the chat. Yes or no? Every day, every day. See, no need to wait for a particular week. You know, why I'm saying this? Because, for example, just for example, if I wasted one entire session for doubts clearing, you know what happens in that session? Maybe 15-20 minutes. Okay, doubts will be getting cleared. Remaining entire session will be wasted. I don't want that to be happening. So that is the reason at any particular point of time, if you're having a doubt, feel free to ask me. Did I skip any one of your doubts? Respond. Online students, did I skip any one of your doubts? Like if you're asking any doubt, did I skip any day? Yeah, that's not going to happen, right? So no need to worry about it. At any particular point of time, if you are having a doubt, feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. I'll be there for you. And moreover, the thing is, I don't know whether you remember or not. I said, whenever in your interview point of view, if you are getting 40 questions, almost 20 questions will be in core Java. Below 5 questions will be on advanced. Most of your questions will be on Spring Boot, I said, right? Right now, my intention is I need you guys to prepare for Spring Boot. And that is the reason advanced Java will be completed below 50 working days. Before 5 to 10 years, before 5 to 10 years, only for advanced Java, it will take how many days core Java has taken? Exactly same for advanced Java also. Like nearly 3 to 4 months, we covered core Java, right? I mean to say working days, 80 to 85 working days. Yes or no? The same will be continuing for advanced Java also. But right now, that is not the scenario. Outside in the market, most of the questions are coming on core and Spring Boot. So that is the reason we have reduced this advanced Java. I guess it's clear, guys. You guys need to update according to the market, right? If I'm going on with this advanced Java for 80 to 85 days, your precious pressure period will be gone. And moreover, here what happened, concept you already know that. If I want to go more on advanced Java, what happens? Same, I'll be giving you another tasks, questions like that. Did you remember in after completing array and strings in core Java, I gave you some tasks like logical programming. Did you remember that? Come on. In one session, we covered nearly 10, maybe below 10 logical questions. When you come into advanced, that is not the scenario. If I give one task, you know it, I know it, how much time it's going to take for you to complete it. After completing, I think prepared statement or statement, one day I gave you a task. Entire session also, you did not complete that. It's not like you don't know. It's more like it will take more time. I guess you're understanding the point here. So that is the reason this is how our advanced Java advanced Java sessions are. So all these 4 to 5 points, these are not like complaints. These are absolutely not complaints. These are people are actually expecting more. I absolutely understand, but you need to concentrate more on core and Spring Boot. I hope you're understanding exactly what I'm saying this. Am I clear with this? I mean, for the people who gave this reviews feedback, I'm just telling to them, right? Again, these are not complaints. Absolutely not complaints. I mean, I can understand, guys. I can understand. You want to know more, but the thing is, you should be knowing more in core and Spring Boot. Right now, advance is like a bridge for you to go to Spring Boot. Is that clear for you? Yes? Online students, is that okay for everyone? Please respond to the chat. No, I need to address. I will address. I'll address my queries. So that's the reason I'm just trying to say to you. And remaining all, everyone gave amazing feedback. Thank you for that, by the way. That is very good. Very good. Yesterday I had a lot of, almost half an hour, we had a conversation with our narrator. We are discussing how you people will be getting placed. And, sometimes students are getting worried about like AI. AI is coming, it will take the jobs. I mean, exact same conversation which happened with our narrator. What he said, sir, I think students are afraid that AI will be taking their jobs. AI will be replacing the developers. So students are currently in a small dilemma whether they are going to get placed or not. What I told, guys, sir, not guys, sorry, sir, exactly same what I told to our narrator. Sir, AI will never replace a human. And moreover, one more important point is whatever the code which is given by AI, we cannot keep that code directly into our projects. It will not work. Believe me, I know. I used. I know and I used the code which is given by AI. You can use, but without human intervention, human intervention, you'll not be able to do that. You need to understand exactly what you need, and AI will be giving you the code. You need to mix that code with already existing concept. Are you getting the point here? And then you need to modify the code accordingly. Please don't think like AI will replace the jobs. No, humans using AI, they will replace, not AI. You are in a right path. No need to worry about it. Are you getting the point here? Please respond. Yes. So don't worry about that. Just trust the process, understand the concepts, understand, or else do one thing, Ra. Do one thing. If anyone of your seniors, brothers, sisters who are already working in IT, ask them. Just ask them. So, if, for example, if your brother is working in IT, ask them, yeah, is AI going to replace our jobs, or else whatever the code which is given by AI, can I directly keep in project? They will say no. Why? Because I guess they already used it and they will experience it. So it will not. You can use it, but without human intervention, you will not be able to work with that. I believe you're getting the point here, right? So no need to worry about it. Just trust the process, understand the concepts, and moreover, interview questions. Don't think like there are like 10 to 20 interview questions are there, and questions will be coming on the same concepts. Absolutely not. Understand the concept. Understand the concept. If you understand the concept, any question related to that concept, you can handle. It's it's not like a college or school. I'll be giving you 10 to 15 questions and you'll be getting questions only on these 10 to 15 questions. Absolutely not. No, no, no. That is not how interview will be going on. I hope you understand the point here. No, seriously, respond yes or no. So once you entered into that interview room, that entirely depends upon the person who is asking. How is his mindset there at that time? Understand the concept. Just understand the concept and my notes. Please follow the notes clearly. Every point in my notes is actually an answer for a question. You check correctly. So just trust the process. You can get it. Is that clear? Online students, yes. Reducing course in the sense. No, 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 Satish, absolutely not. Oh, no, no, no. I got a small question from Satish. He's asking, reducing course in the sense, skipping few concepts. No, we are not skipping any concept. For example, let us take transaction management. You know what is transaction management? I mean, entire transaction management revolves around one principle. What is that? Do everything or do nothing. We did one example on transaction management. One example, 2 to 3 days we have taken. Yes, reducing the concept in the sense, reducing the concept course in the sense, instead of writing one example, I'll take 4 examples. Only transaction management will take 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Same concept in another example. Are you understanding exactly what I'm saying? Satish, is that clear for you, buddy? Satish, is that clear? Please tell me. Yeah, 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 that is good. That is good. Reducing the concept means not silently skipping the concept. We will, I will never skip that. I will never do that. Okay. Reducing concept in the sense, explaining the concept more clearly with one example. I am leaving remaining for you. You should be working on it. That's it. Not more than that. Don't worry about skipping the concepts. Absolutely not. Right. And oh, one more. I asked the same question to Grok. Yeah, you're asking the same question to AI, and it might replace a human completely. See, you're asking question about AI to AI, and that too, that AI belongs to Musk. Grok AI. You know Grok, right? X, Twitter. Yes. So yeah, don't no need to worry about it, buddy. No need to worry about it. Okay. So see, trust me when I'm saying this. Once you got placed, once you are going to company, then whatever the sentences, whatever the words which I'm using, they will make sense. For example, you will go to company. Okay, you will be getting placed. Team leader will be giving you a task. Okay, you will try to enter the task in the chat GPT. It will give you the code. Believe me, it will give you. You will try to use the same code in your project. It will not work. It will not work. Why? Because the module is connected with another module. And that is connected with another module. You're asking question only on one module. Are you getting the point? Sir, I will give all the modules. No, that code will not be available with you. That code will be scattered to the team members. Code confidentiality will be maintained, na? I hope you are getting the point here, right? So no need to worry about it. Using AI can help you increase your productivity. That is okay. That is okay. Fine. But don't think like it will replace. No, absolutely not. Understand the concepts more. Please do more practice. For example, as I said, AI will increase the productivity. Ask ChatGPT to get more examples, questions on transaction management. You know transaction management. Ask ChatGPT to give an assignment. Give an assignment on transaction management in JDBC using some concept, like any example, like banking. Ask it to give a pure structure. It will give you a structure. According to the structure, you create your own project. That is how you should use that. I hope you are getting the point here. Respond. As simple as this. So don't worry about that. Don't worry. See, AI will replace which jobs, the jobs which human intervention is not required. For example, data entry. 100% will replace data entry, or else data sorting, data organizing. Yeah, it's going to replace it. No problem. And that replacing in the sense, not entirely. If there are 10 people are there, two people are enough. Those two people also, they'll just check whether it is organizing correctly or not. That's it, not more than that. Previously, the same work is done by 10 people. Right now, it is going to do it by two people. That's it. But developers, nope, your jobs are safe. They are safe. They are safe. Don't worry about that. If it is replacing, right now, everyone should be quitting out from IT. Everyone should be quitting out from IT. No, that's not going to happen. That's not happening. Sir, layoffs are going on. Layoffs are actually present every year. Every year, layoffs are there. What happened? Companies will try to cost cut. At the time of COVID, also, a lot of layoffs happened. Yes or no? Tell me, huh? Before COVID also happened, but we just don't know that. We just don't know. Maybe 1 or 2 years, every year, company will cut the employees who are having good skills. They will keep them. Others, they are going to be affected. If you are not upgraded, if you are not upskilling, they will show you a reason and lay off. And that reason is not exactly why they are company. I mean, why they are removing from the jobs. Please tell me, are you understanding the point? As simple as this. So don't worry about it. Upgrade, upskill. And as a software developers, we need to upgrade. We need to upskill. If you are having good skills, come on, no one is going to replace you, right? Think about it. Just think about it in a positive manner, right? Yes or no here? This is actually yesterday evening. Yeah, obviously, Sanket. Yes, yes, exactly. See, yesterday evening I had this almost half an hour, 45 minutes conversation with our CEO, sir. Almost. Same thing we discussed, right? So you no need to worry about it. Believe me, no need to worry. See, Infosys, Mr. Narayan sir is there. He Narayan Murthy sir. Yes, he told one in one interview also. Just a sec. I uploaded in my Instagram also actually. I don't know whether you watched it or not. Not right now. A lot of time back I uploaded. Early years of ChatGPT. Yeah. Why this is not coming properly here? Hang on. Screen.
ChatGPT has the base, and then show our creativity, show our smartness, and show us. Now, would you mind to coders here losing jobs because of ChatGPT? To coders here losing jobs because of ChatGPT? No, it will never happen. We know in 1977, 78, when there was a thing called program generators. Everybody said the Excel will lose all the jobs. It didn't happen. You know why? Because we're very important to this, and that is the human mind is the most flexible instrument. It can adapt very well. And all that happened was people started solving bigger and bigger problems, which these program generators not have. So ChatGPT is a good one. We should welcome it. However, we use ChatGPT as the base and then show our creativity, show our smartness, and show. That's to code up.
I guess you got the clarity. So that's what, see, innovations will come. Innovations will come. We need to adapt according to that. For example, 10 years before, 10 or 12, 20, 15, maybe 15 years before, do we have any idea about smartphone? 20 years before, do we have an idea about mobile? Absolutely not. I mean, we are having that antique phones. You know that, right? So we need to adapt. We will adapt. We will adapt. So don't worry about that AI and everything. Trust your process. Enough. You work hard. Starting only, I told you. Starting in our core job, starting only, I told you. Promise me your hard work. I can promise you a beautiful career, I said. Now you ask yourselves, are you working hard enough? No, ask yourself, are you working hard enough to survive in the competitive environment? If your answer is yes, no one is going to stop you. That's it. Ask yourself. You can do this. You are born to do this. Got it? Yes? That is great. That is great. Online students, I guess you are following. Please respond to the chat for me, guys. Yes? Yeah, that is good. That is good. That is good. So don't worry about everything. Just follow the process, and the only thing is work hard. Luck favors hard work. Work hard. Just work hard. One person got placed in this batch only. Who is that? He came and informed me also. It's not there. Okay, no worries. Okay, no worries. All right, that is good. So I just want to share that with you. That's it. Please don't worry about everything. Work hard. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Everything. Right? Problems are not big things. We will think and make the problem as big things. Just leave that. Concentrate on the concept. Enough. Again, ask yourself, am I working hard to survive in the competitive environment? If your answer is yes, believe me, no one is going to stop you. If your answer is no, you know what you need to do. That's it. Got it? Right. So, uh, see, generally, I'll not say all these kind of things. You already know that. I just want to share that. Right? Why? Because if I am not saying, who is going to say? Okay. Anyways, a simple question. Yeah, that is good. That is good, Varun. So let's try to get back to the concept here. Yesterday, by yesterday, we completed discussing about request dispatcher concept. Yes or no? In our coming classes, most frequently, we will be using this request dispatcher. When you're speaking about this request dispatcher, we can perform two types of communications, forward communication and include communication, right? Forward, I mean, servlet to servlet and servlet to JSP, servlet to HTML, anything. We will be able to do that, forward and include communication. We already did that, and we have written a small project also. Everyone completed this? Everyone completed this? Okay, that is good. Now, in our yesterday's project, or else day before yesterday's project, app one, app two, whatever the projects which you have done, from the servlet only, we are trying to print the data directly into the web page. I repeat, yesterday or day before yesterday, for example, let me just try to get back here. This is our app one. Okay. Here, servlet, first servlet is there. Okay. First servlet is there. Now, here we are using pw.print. Okay. Just let me close everything. Mm. Here, first servlet. This is our first servlet program. Here I wrote pw.println. You know what is the use of this println method? PW. I'm not speaking about system.out.println. I am speaking about print writer class, right? What is the use of this PW? I mean print writer class. By using this print writer class, we'll be able to directly display the information in the web page. In the web page, right? But this is absolutely not recommended. As a matter of fact, we will never, I repeat, never display the data directly in the web page from the servlet. We will not do that. We'll never do that. In order to make that happen, we will use JSP, Java Server Pages. Basically, servlet means it should accept the request. It should accept the request. It will process the request and it will generate the response. And that response will be handled, or else that response will be printed directly in the web page by the JSP, Java Server Pages. JDBC, that is used to connect our Java program to the database. Servlet is going to handle the request, generate the response. JSP is supposed to create dynamic web pages. By using JSP, we'll be able to create dynamic web pages. Am I clear with that? So by using JDBC, servlets, and JSP, we will be able to create a project by following MVC architecture, model, view, controller architecture. And that is what our next concept is. So first, I want you to write some points related to JSP. When you're speaking about JSP, mainly tags will be there. Tags. Okay, let me make this simple. For example, just for example, here we are having our HTML page. Where is it? Here I am having my HTML page. Now, inside this HTML page, can I write the Java code? You need to respond, guys. Absolutely not. Inside HTML, we need to write only HTML code. Inside JSP, we can write both HTML tags and Java code. We can make that happen. That is the use of JSP, Java Server Pages, right? One more time I am saying, without using a single HTML page, we can continue with our project by using JSP. Why? Because inside JSP, we can entirely write the HTML tags and Java code also. In order to make that happen, we need to use some some tags like scriptlet tag will be there, descriptive tag will be there, declaration tag will be there, expression tags will be there. So some kind of tags are there, action tags are there. So right now, today's class, first I want you to write some tags related to JSP. First write. After writing, then if time permits, then we'll be trying to create one first small project regarding with our JSP. Is that okay? Please respond. Now, please keep us heading as Please keep your side heading as JSP. Understanding JSP, Java Server Pages. Java Server Pages. Note on a small point for me. JSP stands for Java Server Pages. JSP stands for Java Server Pages, which are used to create, which are used to create dynamic web content, which are used to create dynamic web content. Next point. JSP allows JSP allows HTML and HTML and Java code to be written together. Oh, yeah, that's what I told you. Inside JSP, we can write both HTML and Java code. JSP allows HTML and Java code to be written together. Next part. JSP files have a .jsp extension. A .jsp extension. It uses various tags. It uses various tags to insert Java code into the web page. Okay. To insert Java code into the web page. Next part. Common tags used in JSP. Common tags used in JSP for writing. Common tags used in JSP for writing Java code are listed below. Scripting tags, directive tags, action tags. Scripting tags, directive tags, and action tags. Please keep aside citing as scripting tags. Take time and write this entire slide slowly and clearly. We will use these in our coming classes. 3 slides you need to write: scripting, directive, action tags. After that, we'll go with our program. Come on, go ahead. Take time. Write clearly and slowly. Please go ahead. Go ahead. No issues. Please go ahead. scripting tags. There are three scripting tags are there. Scriptlet tag, expression tag, declaration tag. And each and every tag today which you are writing, we will use them in our advanced Java classes. Is it done? Done? Anyone writing, raise your hands, please. Please. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Online students, if complete, kindly please try to message me in the chat so that I can move on to the next one. Please. Yeah, Pavan, please carry on. Continuation, please. Directive tag, please. Is it done? No worries. Take time. No, seriously, take time. No problem. Worth it. When you speak about direct to tags, there are three: at the rate page directive, at the rate include directive, at the rate tag lib directive. Include directive. Yeah, yeah. We'll use each and every tag. What you are writing, we will use. Is it done? How many are writing? Please raise. 2 minutes sufficient? Please write. How many of you watched a movie that Mirai Telugu movie came now? How many of you watched? Raise hands. Raise. How is the movie? Nice. I thought of watching that movie from last 1 week onwards. 1 week back it came, night. I'm not getting time. This is what adulthood is. You will come to my stage. Wait. You will have everything. The only thing which you will not be having is time. Mark my words. Mark my words. At the age of 35, 36, then you'll understand why I'm saying this. Done? Completed? Boys, done? Any responder? Okay. Go ahead. Next one. Last slide for today. After that, we'll be creating our project. Come on, please go ahead. Online students, if completed, kindly please try to message me the chat. Take time, no risk. How many of you are writing? Please raise. 1 minute, guys. One last minute. Don't close your books. Wait for a minute. I know. I know. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. So when you're speaking about action tag, 4 action tags include forward, parent, use bean. Last one is actually interesting. This is very interesting. Wait for it. We'll use that. All right, done. Okay, guys, just a second. Now, our intention is we want to create a project, an application like this. Index.html, very simple, very, very simple. First, let us start with index.html, product name, product ID, product price, product quantity, submit. If we give a click on submit, and you know what is this MS? What is this MS? URL pattern. In the main servlet, we need to use request dispatcher to forward that request to display.jsp. In display.jsp, in this JSP, completely a new JSP page. We need to create a new JSP page where we need to create HTML web app. Same at the same location, right click on web app, we will be creating a JSP. Inside JSP, we'll be able to write our code. Now here, I just want to say one small thing. We know servlet config. Servlet config, where we came across this servlet config? Parameter for init method. Yes or no? We know servlet request. Yeah, service method, servlet response. Print writer. Say, what is the use of this? We know. Come on. In JSP, whatever you can do in servlets, we can do exactly the same things in JSP. Why? Because I told you inside JSP, we can write the Java code. Yes or no? We can handle direct without even writing servlets. We can write entire logic inside JSP also. No need to worry. Servlet container is Catalina container. JSP container is Jasper. Jasper. Yeah, Jasper. For example, eyes on the board. Let me go like desktop. No, this PC, C drive, C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9.0, uh, lib. In lib, can you see Catalina? Here you will be having your servlet related executable files, and there will be one more known as Jasper. Here you will be having JSP related executable files. See, guys, let me make this simple. Without using servlets, only with JSP also we can handle the logic. But it is highly not recommended. Why? Because it is completely violating MVC architecture. What is this MVC architecture? I'll let you know. Wait for it. Please wait for it. Okay. It is always advisable to divide the code. Divide the code. You should divide the code so that if at any particular point, if you're having a problem, easily we'll be able to sort it out. For example, in my core job classes, some people did the projects. Who did the project? You did the project. You did the project. One more. Okay. Some people did the projects. When they came to me and show me the projects, the very first thing what I told is divide. Write the logic in different classes, different methods. I told you that is exactly how we'll be working in real time also. There will not be one class, there will be multiple classes, multiple methods will be there. I'll show you. Okay, so MVC architecture, we need to follow MVC architecture. Servlet is a place where you need to handle the requests. JSP is a place where you should display the data. But you can write servlet logic inside JSP, but actually not recommended. Not recommended. As a matter of fact, in our coming days, we'll not use JSP also. We'll be using React. React UI. Okay, you did not enter React up to now, right? It's going on. Wait for it. Wait for it. You'll understand. Okay. All right. Now, here, what I want to say is for servlet, we are having this object servlet config. The same concept in JSP we will be able to apply by using config object. In servlet request is there. In JSP, directly request. For example, for example, we'll be using request.get parameter method. Yes or no? You need to respond, guys. Where is that request dot? I mean, how you will be calling that request.get parameter method? How? From servlet request. So what? Request dot req. Come on, guys. Req dot get parameter. Exactly the same we'll be able to do by using this request object. What print writer will be doing? Print writer is used to print the data in the web page. Same by using out. Anyways, we'll try to see this right now only in our example, shall we? So please have this in your notes right now, just like this. Go ahead, please. Please go ahead. First, index.html. This is which tag, by the way? Just now you wrote it. Scriptlet tag. Just now you write it, scriptlet tag. Inside scriptlet tag, we can write any valid Java code. I'll show you. Come on, first write it. For servlet config, config. For servlet request, request. Servlet response, response. Please check small letters. After completing this, open your laptops. I guess it's complete for everyone. Come on, go ahead, open your laptops. And how many projects you have created? How many applications you created? 4 apps. Okay. So let's try to create one more. App 5. Go to new. Select dynamic web project. You know it. Please follow the process. Make sure to select dynamic web module version 4.0. Give a click on next. Next. Make sure to check the checkbox. Generate web.xml. You already know this concept. Do you know this concept? Yes or no? Ah, give a click on finish. App 5 got created. Make sure to add the servlet jar file to your build path, please. Configure build path, add external jars, servlet API jar file, and then expand SRC. Right click on web app, go to new, select HTML, and our HTML is index.html. Okay. Indx index.html. Give a click on next and finish. Create it. Center tag. Form action. Form tag. Form action. What is the thing I gave you? MS method post. Okay. Post. Now inside this, product name, product ID, product price, product quantity. Okay. PRODUCT. Product name. input type equal to text name name name. Just let me try to go with break statements. Product name, product ID, product price, product quantity, product quantity. And here I'm going to write PID, P price, and PQ and TY quantity. And of course, I'm going to write input type equal to submit volume submit. Just like that. And let me try to close the form. Instead of submit, I'm going to give display. This is better. Now, let me go to my Java resources, SRC, right click on SRC, go to new, select a package, com.back one. Inside that package, let us try to create a servlet class, main servlet, finish. This is our main servlet. Extends generic servlet. Obviously, we need to override our methods. This is request and this is response. The only thing what I want to do here in this servlet is I just want to forward. I just want to forward. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Request dot get request dispatcher, and I'm going to forward it to display dot JSP. RD belongs to request dispatcher. Okay. And here RD dot forward request response. Obviously, here we need to give the web servlet and the URL MS. Oops. And now I'm going to create a JSP where inside the web app. Just a second, guys. Just a second, please. Listen, listen, listen. Right. Servlet Java pages we will be creating inside the package. JSP HTML pages we will be directly creating inside web app. Web app. Okay. Continue. Right click on web app. Go to new. Select JSP. JSP file. And what is the name of the JSP I have given? DISPLA. Display.jsp. That's it. Finish. And then a JSP page will be getting created. This is our servlet page. This is our JSP, which is used to display dynamic web pages. Inside this JSP, I'm going to write a scriptlet tag. This is a scriptlet tag. You already wrote that just right now. Scriptlet tag. Basically, inside this scriptlet tag, we can write any valid Java code. Any valid Java code. So here, what I'm going to do, generally, if we want to get this data from the HTML into the servlet, how we'll be able to get the data? Please tell me. Get parameter method, right? By using REQ, request dot get parameter. Same, exactly the same here. The only thing is, instead of writing REQ, we'll be directly writing request object. It's already there. Implicit object is already available. Request dot get parameter. And what is the parameter here? We are having p name. Return type is string, 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 pro name, product name. Exactly like that. Just let me try to keep it like this. Product name, product ID, product price, and product quantity. And here, P ID, here, P price, and here, P quantity. Same. How you will be writing in the servlet? Exactly the same code we are writing in JSP. And if you want to display, in our servlet, which code we will be using? pw.println. What I told you when you're speaking about print writer, what is the alternative for print writer in JSP? Out. So just go with the out. Instead of writing pw, just go with out. Out dot print ln, and here I'm just going to keep it cntr center tag, just like this, and here I'm going to write it as a h1. Okay, just give me a minute time. Copy. Okay, out dot println, copy, and now here product product name plus row name, same remaining. Product name, this is product ID, and here this is row ID. After that, product price, and this is row price. After that, product quantity, and here simply product quantity. And please don't forget to give break statements. Just two break statements. Copy. Just like this. And let me just try to close my center tag here also. H1. That's it. Done. Completed. Let me try to execute and let's see, am I able to get my output correctly? Right click, run as, run on server, save it. Always use this. Next, back, select the server. Next, I am removing all others. I'm only keeping app 5. UI click on finish. Yeah, let's see. Product name, product ID, product price. You know what? Here, I'll do one thing. Let me just try to use H1 and two break statements. Okay. Let me just try to refresh. Yeah. Product name, product ID, product price, product quantity. Product name, watch, product ID 101, product price, some 35,000, product quantity. I'm going to give 10. So from, by the way, this is HTML. This is HTML. Now, if I'm giving a click on display, let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, enter. Product name, watch. But what about other, why other details did not came? Product name came, product ID, what happened? Oh, thank you. I did not close the BR tag correctly. Let me save this. Now let's see. Yeah, I'm able to display my data correctly. Right? That's it. From the servlet, from the HTML, the data went to the servlet. From the servlet, I'm forwarding it to the JSP. Come on, kindly please try to have this. This is our index.html. This is our main servlet, and basically this is the JSP. Please carry on. Anyone completed? One, two, good. Three, carry on. Please carry on. So you know how to write HTML, how to write servlet code, and how to write JSP. So you guys are right now eligible for writing projects related to MVC architecture, which we are going to start from tomorrow. And make sure to give the names clearly. Get parameter, string values you need to give correctly. You done? All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So tomorrow we will start with MVC architecture. Tomorrow, right? Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. Kindly please try to respond in the chat, guys. Please respond. Please respond. Yeah, wait for it, Ritesh. Up to now, we did not discuss anything about being right. Wait for it, please. Okay. All right. So we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you. No, video is not available with me. Why?